Since we have received the warrant of arrest, and then therefore we have to look all the circumstances. One is, of course, the concerned office of the PNP is processing for the revocation.
Ilan pong firearms yung mayroong registered under Senator De La Rosa?
It's 100 plus.
Natapos na ang deliberasyon ng Firearms and Explosives Office License, Revocation and Restoration Board kaugnay sa lisensya ng mga baril ni Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. Ayon kay Firearms and Explosives Office Service Legal Officer Police Lieutenant Colonel Domer Tadeo, naisumiti na ang kanilang rekomendasyon sa hepe ng Firearms and Explosives Office para kansilahin ang license to own and possess firearms at firearms registration ng mambabatas.
The FEO board recommends to cancel. The ground is under Section 4G of the law of the RA 10591. That is, there is a pending criminal case where the imposable penalty is more than 2 years. And we all know that the crime has more than that, yung penalty niya.
Sa oras na aprobahan ni FEO Chief Police Brigadier General Jojo Manalad ngayong linggo ang rekomendasyon, magpapadala sila ng notification kay Senator Bato.
The good senator will be notified of such cancellation. Kung gusto niya, he will file the necessary motion for reconsideration. He has also that option to surrender those firearms.
Sakaling mabigo ang dating hepe ng pambansang pulisya na mag-surrender ng kanyang mga armas, saka pa lamang kikilos ang PNP para magsagawa ng isang operasyon.
The team coming from our FEO or CSG will proceed to the address given for the confiscation.
Tumanggi naman ang FEO na kumpirmahin ang kumakalat sa social media na nasa mahigit sa 100 ang baril ni Senator Bato.
We are not ready to divulge the number of firearms of the good senator because it is our position that that is personal in the formation that is protected by the Data Privacy Act.
Tiniyak din ng PNP-FEO na nakikipag-ugnayan sila sa Department of Justice kaugnay sa naturang mga baril. Sa katunayan, bago pa ang request ng DOJ na cancellation ng firearms licenses ng senador, nagsagawa na sila ng motu proprio investigation. Si Senator De La Rosa ay itinuturing ng International Criminal Court na co-conspirator ni dating President Rodrigo Duterte sa kasong Crime Against Humanity of Murder kaugnay sa war on drugs ng pamahalaan. Leia Ilagan, UNTV, News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.